I gave one AI warm prompt and told it to build an entire marketing campaign for my store. And of course, the ads, the creatives, the emails, all of it. And the part I almost skipped, the boring one nobody talks about, is the part that actually turned clicks into cash. So 2 years ago, this was a full team and a month of work, but now I did it in an afternoon from a chat to box. Let me show you exactly how, because the last step is one that changes everything. So I started where everyone started, that's the creatives. So I typed the prompt like build me a full set of ad creatives and product visuals for my store, and boom, look at this, ads, thumbnails, UGC style content, scroll stopping hooks, all of it in minutes. And this part felt unreal. I had a whole campaign's worth of content sitting in front of me and I had not opened a single design tool. If you have seen my channel, you know this is my favorite kind of magic. AI doing in minutes what used to take a week. Then it hits me. I had everything to grab attention and nothing to catch it. Think about what actually happens. You run these ads, people click, they land on your store, they look around, maybe add to cart, and then they leave. And if you have no ways to follow up, that person gone forever, and so is the money you just paid for that click. Ads bring people in at once, the follow up is where the money actually is, right? That's email and SMS, and exactly the part every dropshipper skips. So my campaign was not finished, it was half a campaign. So I asked the real question, could AI build that part too? Turns out, yeah, and this is where it's got actually crazy. AI builds the conversion engine. Omnisend just dropped something called MCP. In plain English, it lets ChatGPT connect directly to your entire Omnisend account. Not chat about marketing, actually do it, full your plan, build your segment, set up your flows straight from the chat, and they are rolling it out to Claude 2. That's one landing in the next couple of weeks. So I connected my store and just talked to it and typed my first prompt, analyzed my contacts, purchase history and engagement, and build me 3 high impact segments that will actually drive revenue. It came back with sharp behavior based segments and build them and no dashboard. Then build me a re-engagement campaign for people who added to cart but did not buy in the last 30 days. Email and SMS full e-commerce flow, and as you can see, it generated a structure, the subject lines, the copy, the timing, the whole thing. Then I typed give me a snapshot of my account and flag anything hurting my delivery tree. It treated my account like a consultant and told me exactly what to fix. I built the entire backend of my campaign the same way I build the creatives, by prompting from to back on chat. And that was the moment it clicked for me. AI does not just make my content, it built my whole marketing machine. The ads that get attention and the email and text that turns that attention into actual sales. And here's why that second half matters more than people think. On average, Omnisend store makes around $79 back for every $1 they put into, and that's the part of the campaign that prints money. Omnisend was built for e-commerce from day one. Over 150,000 brands sold on it, and now the whole thing's run from the chat you are already using every day. And now I'm keeping it real with you. This is not magic autopilot. You're still being the strategy, the taste, and the final call, and you check things before they go live. But going from AI that talks about marketing to AI that builds and runs your campaign is a massive leap, and it's here right now. And if you're already on other email tool, Omnisend moves you over for free, 5 days max, so you're not rebuilding anything. Omnisend set up a discount for everyone watching this, and you can start completely free, exactly how I did test it. The link and the discount code are pinned in the comments and at top of the description. Go connect it, prompt it, and build your own campaign end to end. And drop this in the comments, was the one part of your marketing you had into AI first. I did every single one. Okay, so that's it. If you have any question regarding this video and regarding Omnisend, definitely comment down below, and definitely again go try it now. The link in the description too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now. And before going, hit that red subscribe button and that lovely like button too.